This message is for test purposes only. Test, test, test. This is a test message for the Ohio statewide tornado drill. This includes all counties in Ohio and is valid until 10 a.m. Repeating, this is a test message for the Ohio statewide tornado drill. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. If this were an actual event, you would be given information about the hazard. The National Weather Service, Ohio Emergency Management Agency, and the Ohio Committee on Severe Weather Awareness encourages the use of this time to either activate or review your severe weather safety plans. Repeating, this has been a test tornado warning message for the 2018 Ohio Tornado Drill. This alert activation will replace the regularly scheduled routine weekly test normally conducted around 11 a.m. on Wednesdays. It's 9 a.m. Weather reports for selected...
Well, damn. I get it that our tornado drills today, but this has got to be a YouTube first. A special weather statement that is toned. That I have never seen before. Guess that's a huge upgrade in their system since they switched from CRS to BMH. What?
Why is the tornado siren going on?
Oh, our drill just started.
But it's not the first one.
Well, my weather radios have gone off for the same message.
Okay. Did you stay outside?
What?
Did you look outside?
Yep, we did get a whole lot of snow. Too bad I didn't grab my 8560 RX in time. That was so cool though. I think that's going to be that for a while. I don't know if there's going to be any more messages coming through or not, but we'll see. Alright, talk to you guys later.